What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunna Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, today we got a guest pastor, man. You know, Reverend Breezy come to you on Sunday, and I give y'all the good news about the Drip Network, and it's still giving, you know what I'm saying, your spirit a blessing, your pockets a blessing, and everything. But we got a guest pastor. We gonna see how he do. If he don't do good, we gonna boo him out the church or kick him out the church. You know what I'm saying? Lock the door. That's how we do. But we got a guest pastor in the building, man. Today is Reverend Splash. You know what I'm saying? Splassive, if you will. We're gonna go over it, man. I'm probably gonna name the video Splash Scam or something like Splash Network Scam. People like that kind of stuff. Then you have people in the comments, it's not a scam. You don't know what you're talking about. They ain't even looked at the video. You know what I'm saying? They just look at the title and then comment. But it's all good, baby. Anyway, we're gonna go over it, man, and see what's going on with it. I just made a test deposit. Actually, I didn't even get in it in the beginning. See, right now it's showing 0. It's not even reading my wallet, even though it's saying connected. Look glitchy. Everything don't run as smooth as Drip, you know, but we're gonna give him a chance. Now. Now, the only reason I got into this is because it's from a guy on my Telegram, Bitcoin Brown. He been riding with me since day one. So, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. I was on vacation when it launched. And so, I actually, be honest with you, I heard about it a while ago before it even had a name. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I thought it was on Binance Smart Chain. I think they was going to launch it on Binance. But then when I found out it was on AVAX, I was like, all right, well, I get a shot there, you know. Y'all know I'm over here anyway with Trader Joe and Pangolin and all that. So, I got a few AVAX. I'll check it out. Wow, if you don't buy now, nope. It's all Drip, baby. You know me. But on AVAX, hey, I'll give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? We'll see what's happening. So I made a little test deposit right here. 32 Splash tokens. It ain't reading the amount right here right quick. But I deposited some more. I got 232 more. I deposit. Hey, man. Hey, Bitcoin Brian. Send your boy some Splash, man. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm bringing the folk. But send me some Splash. Send me some AVAX. Some something. You know, they don't even know I'm doing the video. They ain't paying me or nothing, bro. I'm just doing this on my own. We got, 10 days before the piggy bank relaunch and the farm and all that. You know what I'm saying? We just chilling, man. Sunday, we're chilling. Hey, everything is lovely. The money still flowing. Drip still paying that 1%. You know what I'm saying? Now, this thing right here say it paid 2%. They saying they paying 2%. Oh, you got to do your buddy. It's the same as Drip, but they just copy Drip. So you come here, paste in the buddy address here, update. And then you come in and do your deposits and all that. It's the same thing. You know how I go. And you know, your boy gonna be doing them airdrops. So, you know, I ain't got no team, no nothing. I ain't showed my address. I ain't sent my address, no nothing. So, you know, my day one, y'all know how I get down. Everybody be talking about, oh, I'm gonna do some airdrop. And then don't do it. Everybody wanna come join. No. Day ones, y'all know how I makes it rain. It's the same thing. That you, my buddy, then I'm just gonna make it rain. So that'll be in the description below how we do all that, man. But anyway, so they say they're paying 2% a day. Now, I personally don't think that's sustainable. I just gotta be objective. But hey, let me tell you what that means. When I say I don't think it's sustainable, that's an open-ended statement because of what is sustainable. 6 months, 9 months, 5 years. You know what I'm saying? If this thing lasts 9 months, I'm straight. I'm goo-wop. You know what I'm saying? So sustainable is just, you see how I did that? Y'all listen to these people that do FUD videos and stuff, and y'all hear these buzzwords, and you think, oh my God, the sky's falling. It's not sustainable. So sustainable don't mean you can't make no money, bro. Huh? I'm going to teach you about crypto, boy. You listen to me, you're going to learn about crypto. You see what I'm saying? Just cause something ain't sustainable don't mean you can't make no bread. So I don't know. It's 2% at 2% a day, and it's growing. So last I checked, it had like 2,200 players. See, it's at 2,800 players. It paid 2%. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see what's happening, man. Got 9,000 transactions total supply. But yeah, so when you come and see this, it's gonna be over 3,000. Then we'll just see how it's growing. We'll see how it grows. Just like with Drip. Drip got 90,000 people in it. Now this thing don't get to that level, but I mean, if it's paying double the percent, so it ain't got to get to that level. That's all I care about, the percent. I'm gonna Tell you from day one, just like I told you about drip. The percent is the only thing I care about. Is it paying that percent? You come to the well, and it's going up. See, the price was this morning like 1701 or 1702. Now it's 1785. The AVAX balance going up. It was like 19,000 AVAX in the contract. 20,000, you know what I'm saying? 400. So, I mean, I'm guessing that's what that is, you know what I'm saying? But that's what it's doing, man. The price going up. So by the time you see it, it might be at 18. Who cares? Who cares? Long as it's paying that 2%, well, you gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? So there we go. Now we read. Now so you gotta refresh, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do a lot of refreshing. You gotta be patient. You know what I'm saying? It ain't a smooth drip. I'm trying to forewarn you so you won't be getting frustrated and all that. You might have to do things a couple of times, you know. Even when you put the buddy in, sometimes they're gonna say rejected and all that. Just hey, you gotta work with it, man. Everybody ain't Forex. You know, these folk trying, you know what I'm saying? They trying. They paying 2%. I'm gonna give them a chance. You know what I'm saying? But they paying 2%, well, I'm gonna give them a shot. I'm gonna see, hey, I'm gonna give them a shot now. We gotta be, you know, fair with this thing over here on AVAX. And some of y'all ain't on AVAX. All you have to do is go to chainlist.org. Let me do it for you. Let me do it for you. Chainlist.org. And put in AVAX. You got to connect your wallet. Then put in AVAX. It's going to come up. There you go. Bam. And then just click connect wallet. And then click all that. Add the wallet and all that. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Then you want AVAX. Now, I ain't going to tell you how to bridge and all that. You're going to watch some more video. I did a video on that about 10 months ago. But, you ain't bridged over to AVAX yet. I don't know what to tell you, bro. You know what I'm saying? So you got to, and there's some new bridges now, so it's easier. But to get the AVAX on your MetaMask, just go to chain list, put in you just start typing AV. It'll come up, ain't but one, Avalanche. Click that connect wallet. First, you got to connect your wallet, then click this, add the network, and you're going to see all this stuff pop up. You know what I'm saying? Just confirm. Then you're going to see it on your MetaMask. That's how you do it. Simple as that. Chainlist.org. But yeah, man, so I'm going to go on and add a little more into this thing. Did test deposit was $578. That went up too. It was like $520. So the price is going up. So, July drip, this is going up. You see what I'm saying? Now, this is very important. And I like this is new so I can show you the difference, like how we started with drip and how people be complaining. I keep it right here. Let's just say I put in 32 and this is 578. And this is the low point or whatever, the midpoint. I don't know, whatever. But just for number's sake. This 578. This is what I put in. Now let's say this goes up to $200, right? Now this will be way up. Maybe I don't know, $4,000-$5,000, something like that. And then this come back down. Let's say this come back down to $60, $70. We're gonna be crying and complaining. Look what you got in. You get paid on money you ain't even put in, bro. What you complaining about? You see what I'm saying? That's what people do. The people forget where it came from. Everybody just cause this ain't gonna go straight up. This is gonna come down. It's gonna go up. It's gonna come down. That's what crypto does. Every coin in crypto got the same chart. All of them. They go up, they come down. They go up, they come down. They go up, the roller coaster, baby. It's the roller coaster of making money. So that's what it is, man. I'm going to deposit these a little bit more. Know what I got? I put 200. You know what I'm saying? I think, do you have to approve every time? I don't know. I don't know if I don't like that now. I think you got to approve every time. But yeah, man. So we're going to ride this thing out, man. Hey, my day ones, I'm going to make it rain on your head either tomorrow or Tuesday. Because it's today's Sunday. A lot of people don't be on the internet on Sunday or whatever. But anyway, man. Splassive. Check it out. Link in the description. You know what I'm saying? We're going to give these folks a chance, see how long this 2% can last. And hey, come on now. What you doing? What you talking about? Yeah. Oh, this is my approval. Come on now. What's we get? Come on, bro. You're killing me. But anyway, yeah. And so, listen, if you are building a team, you have to have what they call the wave token. If I remember, I will put that address in the description. I will put that address. You have to get it on Pangolin. If you know about AVAX, you know about, you know what I'm saying? That's the Uniswap of AVAX. You go on Pangolin, you paste in the wave address, and let me see. For level 1, you got to have 5,000 wave. For level 2, like, you know, for people that's under your level 1, if, like, say if I use your buddy address and you want to get the referrals from the people under me, you got to have 10,000. If you want to get the referrals for the people under them, you got to have 20,000, and so on and so forth. So if you're not going to build a 15 level deep team, you don't need 200,000. If you just going to feel like you're going to get like 1 or 2 or 3 levels, you can get 20,000. If you're just going to get 1 level, just all you need is 5,000. That's very important. I just want to let y'all know that if you are building a team under me, and y'all know I take care of my team builder. So all the other YouTubers and all that, Telegram boys, if you're building a team under me, this is what you got to have to get the referrals under yourself. You know what I'm saying? So I have to take care of people that build. If you're not building the team, that's fine too. You my day ones, I'm going to take care of you, baby. But anyway, let's see if we're in the builder. Did we deposit? We need to deposit yet? Okay, let's go. So you got to do 2 transactions. Maybe just me. Do you have to do 2 transactions every time? But anyway, man, I'm going to make this deposit, man. That's Splassive. It's not a scam as of yet. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get these boys a chance. Shout out to Bitcoin Brown and the developer. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy, man.